Are you a student or a business owner? Do you know you can get a free website built for you? I'm not joking. They will build your website from A to Z, from scratch to finish. Eh? Hey! If this is something you're looking at, if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching till the end though. Hey, I'm not here to bobo you. So if you're new to this channel, I want to say big thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Yes, so leave a comment right in the comment section. I want to meet you guys. What do you do? Let me know. Where are you watching from? What state and what county are you watching from? Or what local governments are you watching from? Go ahead and leave it in the comments. I want to meet you guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I see you guys and I appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And yes, thank you for always leaving your comments. Thank you for always supporting me. I appreciate you and I pray for you guys every single day. God bless you all. And yes, if you are new here, if you are seeing this queen for the first time, this beautiful queen for the first time, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I'm based in California and I drop 2 videos every week, every Mondays and Wednesdays. You can also catch me live on YouTube every Saturdays and Wednesdays, 10:30 p.m. Pacific time. Yeah. But you would find multiple videos on this channel in a week when it comes to grants information, because I have to drop these videos before their deadline. So you know what? Without further ado, just come with me. Let's go. So this is what I mean. You will get a free website built from scratch to finish at zero cost. I mean, they will build you a free website. Yes, so hey. So, in fact, check out their own websites. Just check out their own websites. Reasons why you should get online. So, it's important to have a place for viewers to start, because your website will allow your clients to actually know and see your presence. You can also sell online. Reasons why you might need a website: to sell online, to have a virtual store. So they will build you an online store where customers can order and pay for your products completely online. Yes, and their designs are clean. You can see it yourself. And their websites have spectacular designs and animations, and they can also accommodate it to your specific needs. Yes, so it is completely free. They will build your website for free, and their team will additionally reimburse you for the first half year of website hosting costs. What can be better than that, guys? Tell me what can be better than that? If this is something that you love, you know your girl has got you covered. I have done all the homework for you. All you need to do is just go into the link in my description and fill in that form, and they will build your website for you free of charge. Thank me later. You know, on this channel, I am not here to play. We are not here to play in 2022. We are here to win, and win real big. Yes, so if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button if you are not, and turn on your notification bells so you don't miss out each time I drop a new video, so you get notified. You're among the first to get notified when I drop juicy information on this channel, just like this one. Yes, so there are so many grants that I've shared on my channel. So if you have not checked out my previous videos, do well to. So if you have not checked out my other grants videos, go ahead and check out my previous grants videos. Check out my playlist. You will find grants series lists, endless grants that you can apply for. Make sure that you apply for them before their deadline. Also do well to check out my scholarship videos as well. So go ahead and check out my scholarship playlists as well, and make sure that you apply before their deadlines. Even if it does not, hey mama, and even if it does not apply to you, do well to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You'll be blessing somebody's child, somebody's daughter, somebody's friend, your church members, your mosque members. So do well to check out my previous videos and make sure that you share with your friends so that they can take part in these things in these opportunities before their deadlines. Yes, before their deadlines. Yes. So if you have a small business or you're looking to join my Facebook group, it is called Business Moguls. We help to inspire business people to take their business ideas to the next level. And as for those of you that know me on my Facebook group, my Monday I ask, how have you set your goals for the week? I remind everybody per week, have you set your goals for this week? How far along have you gone? In the middle of the week, how far have you gone with your goals for this week? And by the end of the week, towards the tail end of the week, I ask, on a scale of 1 to 100, how much of your goals have you achieved for this week? So go ahead and check out my business. Check out my Facebook group called Business Moguls. I will definitely support you as much as I can. As you can see, I'm already showcasing some of my business, some of my members, some of my Facebook members. On this channel. So do well to check it out. Feel free. So if you are led to also support this channel, find my join button right here. Feel free to join. I also made a separate video on the perks of being a member of this channel. Yeah. So go ahead and check it out. And hey, mama. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll be more than happy to have you guys right as members of this channel. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I drop new videos on this channel. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If this video has blessed you, you know what to do. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. Be good, because I'm good. Mwah.